Write this query, write the description and write query. So here also subquery will execute first. Select a cell from EMP where department number equal to 10 means here we'll get 6 salaries. 6 salaries will get. 6 salaries means 6 rows. 6 rows will get. And those 6 rows are checked with main query. Main query will take all the 8 records and it will check with all the salaries with 6 salaries. If each salary is greater than each 6 salaries, then result is displayed. Here, first it will take the first salary and it will check whether it is more than all these salaries or not. Here, salary department number means main query. Main query works on these values. Employees with department number 10 and 20. Main query works with these salaries. Employees with department number 10 and 20. Subquery works with the department number 30 salaries. This is main query. You can write on the top. Salary department number means main query works on these rows. Main query works on these rows with department number 10 and 20. And subquery works with salaries with department number 30. This is the result here. The result I am giving only salaries, 4 salaries, but it will show the records. Instead of showing records, I am giving only salaries. Listen, here we are going to create two tables here to learn more examples on subqueries. Here you can see S1 containing student SNO, SN marks is given. So here we are giving names and marks we are giving here. And S2 table is there with SNO, module and faculty. And here two students are learning Java and one student is learning .NET. So like this we'll create tables. On small tables, we are writing subquery here. S1 and S2 table I'll create. Create table S1 and SNO number of 5. Then SName varchar 2 of 15. Then here marks is given. Marks number of 5 is given here. Here insert into S1 values. Creating another table, create table S2 and here SNO number of 5 and here I will say module varchar 2 of 15. Next one is faculty varchar 2 of 15 is given. And here insert into S2 values. One not two, and here 103. MS.NET. So these are the tables here. Select asterisk from S1 and select asterisk from S2. So here these are the values here. So I am storing details of students in two different tables. Students information is in different tables here. Students information is in different tables. Students information is in different tables. What is the first table name? What is the first table name? Second table name? S2. So first table is SNO, SName marks is there. Second table containing SNO, module and faculty is there. So here 101 Vijay marks learning Java. Then faculty ABC. 102 Amar learning marks learning Java, faculty name. 103 Kiran learning MS.NET, faculty ABC is given here. ABC. So how can we identify the values is in both the tables common column name is SNO, student number. Common column name SNO is there. Okay. So if I want to get the list of students learning .NET, if I want to get the list of students learning .NET, so here how many students are learning .NET? One, what is his name? Kiran is there. So students details are in one table, courses module is in another table. We can use subqueries on two tables, but it can give records only from one table. Students, we are using joins on two tables. We are using joins on three tables. It is giving records. It is giving columns. use on subqueries we can use on multiple tables, but subquery can give records only one from one table. Means it give records on one table, we can give condition on another table. So here in this example, if I want to get the list of students, learning.net, see this. Here I'll write select asterisk from S1 where SNO equal to select SNO from S2 where module equal to ms.net. This is the query here. Select asterisk from S1. Main query will show records from S1. Main query will show records from S1. Where SNO equal to means it can take only one row, one value. Select SNO from S2 where module equal to ms.net is given. So when you are executing subquery will give what? What is the result of subquery, students? 103. So subquery will give 103. SNO 103 because 103 student learning ms.net. That 103 is sent to here. Select asterisk from S1 where SNO equal to 103. Subquery is giving only one row or one value. That one row, one value will work here. See this. So 103, Kiran 70. So we can use subqueries on multiple tables, but it can give records only from one table. It is not like set operators or it is not like joins. Okay. So like this we are giving. Now here, if I want to get the list of students learning Java, so here I'll give like this. Select asterisk from S1 where SNO equal to. Select SNO from S2 where module equal to Java is given. So in both the tables, what is the common column name? SNO. In where clause I am using SNO. In subquery also I am taking SNO. Then only we can assign value. So here I cannot take some other values here. I cannot take a module or I cannot take faculty name. So we should use common column name in where clause. And we have to use the common column name in subquery. In subquery we are giving like this. So if I give like this, students, all the students. If I students. If I give like this, will it work? If I give like this, will it work? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, how many of say no? Okay. How many of say yes? Okay, many are not giving answer. Once more, please. If I give like this, how many of say it will work? How many of say yes, sir? How many of say yes? Yes. Raise hands, boys. Last row, boys. Okay. How many of say no? Okay. So if I give like this, it will give error. It will show error. No, that is not error. Here module is wrong. No, module spelling is wrong. If I give like this, it will show error here. It is saying single row subquery returning more than one row. Means if I write select SNO from S2 where module equal to Java means subquery is giving two rows. Subquery is giving two values, 101, 102. But main query is able to take only one row because equal to means it can take only one row. In this example, the problem is Subquery is giving two rows. Yes and no. 101, 102. But main query is unable to take two rows because equal to sign is there. So here what I should use in operator I am using. In can take two values here. In can take two values. Okay. Now see this. It is giving result. So here single row subquery returns more than one row. How can you identify single row subquery? It is having equal to. Multi-row subquery means we can use like in, any, some, all we can use. Now I am using in. In means multi-row subquery we are giving. Okay. Okay, clear now? Clear. So now see this. Now I'll say MS.NET. See, this is very difficult question. Answer is easy only. Here you can see this. All of you please try to give correct answer. Select asterisk from S1 where SNO in. Where SNO in. Select SNO from S2 where module equal to MS.NET. Where module equal to MS.NET. Okay. Module equal to MS.NET. So subquery will give how many rows? One row, one value. What is that value? 103. 103. Now I am using in operator. In. Now I am using in. Subquery is giving one row or one value. In main query we are using in. If I give like this, all should give me answer. If I give like this, will it work? Yes or no? How many of you say no? All yes only? Okay. So in is for one value or in is for? You all are very good students. Answer is correct answer. Right. Write table creation and queries. if you see equal to sign here, equals to can take only one value. Then it is single row subquery. Single row subquery. Equal to sign can take only one value or one row. So here in operator is given. In means subquery will give multiple values. So here it will give 101 and 102. So to allow main query to accept 101, 102, we have to use in. In means more than one row or more than one value. One value also it is taking. Here in this here SNO means it will give only one value 103. Select SNO means we'll get 103. That 103 is sent to main query. Here SNO gives two values 101, 102. 101, 102 will go to main query and then we'll get the result. Here we'll see another example here. We have already used EMP table and DPT table we have used. DPT1 table. Here I am deleting few records here. Delete DPT1 where department number equal to 30 I am deleting. And delete from EMPDT1 where employee number equal to 1004. Select asterisk from DPT1. Select asterisk from EMPDT1. So these are the tables here. Here you can see Rahul 60,000 salary working in department number 10. Department number 10 means sales. In this table also, in these tables also, you can see common column name. Common column name is department number. So in where clause we have used department number. And then we have to give the condition. We need to give the condition here. And here you can see Arvind 70,010 means working in sales. Sunil 50,000 working 20 means working in accounting. These are the tables here, and we can use subquery on both the tables. We can use subqueries on both the tables because they are having common column names. Values are also there. So here if I want to get the list of employees, working in accounting department. I want to get the list of employees working in accounting department. Okay, Madam, will check. Select asterisk from see, I want the details of the employees. Working in accounting department. I want to get the details of the employees working in department number, working with DNAME accounting. You can madam. Select asterisk from EMPDT1. Where department number equal to 20. ఇలా ఇచ్చేయచ్చా మీకు ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు ఇంకా సబ్ క్వైరీస్ 2 o'clock క్లాసు ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు ఇంకా అంటే ఇలా రాస్తే ఏమవుతుంది ఇది మెయిన్ ఒక్కటే క్వరీ కదా ఇప్పుడు మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తుందండి సబ్ క్వైరీస్ అంటే 2 సెలెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఉండాలి 20 అంటే మనకు తెలిసిపోద్ది అక్కడ 20 అంటే అకౌంటింగ్ ఉందంటే మనం తెలియని వాళ్ళు కదా అక్కడ తెలిసిపోద్ది అక్కడ 20 అంటే అకౌంటింగ్ అని ఈజీగా క్యాచ్ చేసేస్తాం మనం క్వరీ క్యాచ్ చేయదు అక్కడ చెప్పండి select department number. So subquery should give only department number. Main query also will take department number. Select department number from DPT1 table where DNAME equal to accounting. So how many records will get? Only one record because with accounting only one employee is there. Okay. So like this will get. Okay. Madam, back side. You back side. See, I want to get the list of employees. I want to get the others don't give answer, letter answer. Okay. I want to get the list of employees working in sales department. Working in, see, subqueries means we can use subqueries on 2 tables. We can use subqueries on 2 tables, but it can give records only from 1 table. Subquery and 2 tables means records rather. Subquery can give records only from 1 table, but we can give condition on another table. Okay, madam, ready? Start. Select, okay, okay. Asterisk, 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 okay. From, DPT1 table. EMP only, no? DPT table. EMPD, only two tables are there, no? It's not that this one. Next, madam, మీరు చెప్పండి. Next. Select asterisk from EMP DT1. Where department number equal to or in. Okay, in. Select department number. Let her answer. Madam చెప్తున్నారు కదా. Select the department number from DPT 1. Where D name equal to sales. Good. So it is giving two records here. Right tables creation and queries. Right, fast. This time I lost boys. Last, not last row boys. I'll ask middle row boys. Being employees with department number 10 and 20 in operator. Whatever example, this is slight different. This is also same. In means here we are writing D name sales or D name accounting means here we'll get 10 and 20. 10 and 20 we are sending to main query. Same. So in subquery, here R is there. D name sales or D name accounting means we'll get two department numbers 10 and 20. Then they are sent to main query. Slight difference is there, what I said. And here we'll see the same query, this will see. Subquery on sample tables, EMP and DPT tables. Subquery example on sample tables. Here you can see to get the list of employees working in sales and accounting department. So here we'll write query to get employees working in sales and accounting department. Here I am using select asterisk from DPT, then select asterisk from EMP. So these are the tables here, sample tables. So here if I want to get the list of employees working in accounting and sales department. Here I want to get list of employees working in accounting and sales department. Accounting and sales department. Accounting and sales department. Here, you. Start. Select. Select asterisk from EMP. EMP. Where in both the tables, what are the common column names? EMP. Department number. In or equal to? In or equal to? In. Select. Subquery. Select. Select. Select department number. Because in both the tables, department number is there. Select department number from DPT table where D name equal to, first one is sales, D name equal to sales or D name equal to accounting. So when I use or here, then we'll get two values. We'll get 10 and 30. So department number contains 10 and 30. 10 and 30 are sent to department number here. So you can see employees with department number 30 and 10. Accounting and sales. Write this example. Subquery example on sample tables. last. I know back. So this query, you only, you only. This query is there now. చెప్పండి నేను క్వశ్చన్ అడగలేదు ఇంకా okay, this query is there no, is it a single row query or a multi row sub query? Wait, let me give answer. Multi row sub query, how you are identifying? Because it is having in, if it is having equal to single row sub query. ఇన్నికి సింగిల్ వాల్యూ వచ్చినా పర్వాలేదు మేడం, ఈక్వాలిటీకి మల్టిపుల్ వాల్యూస్ రాకూడదు. ఇన్కి మీకు సింగిల్ వాల్యూ వచ్చినా మల్టిపుల్ వాల్యూస్ వచ్చినా వర్క్ అవుతుంది, ఈక్వాలిటీకి ఒకే వాల్యూ రావాలి. ఏంటి మేడం, డైరెక్ట్ గా ఈక్వాలిటీ యూస్ చేయకుండా ఇన్ యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, చేయొచ్చు మేడం. మనకి ఇక్కడ చిన్న టేబుల్స్ కదా మేడం, ఈక్వాలిటీ యూస్ చేయాలి ఇన్ యూస్ చేయాలి అనేది ఈజీగా మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం. పెద్ద టేబుల్స్ అయితే ఇన్ ఇవ్వాలి. In can show one record, in can show multiple records. For big tables, you have to use in only. Now my tables are very small, 3 records, 4 records. I can easily identify what to give, equal to or in. Students, see in this query I'll give like this. See this. In this query I'm giving like this. Select asterisk from EMP where department number in. Select D name from department. Select D name from department. Instead of department number, can I use D name? Select D name from DEPT where D name equal to sales or D name is accounting. Can I use D name here? Can I use D name? Yes or no? Yes or no? Why no? Because here department number is there. Here you cannot give D name. If I give this, so it is showing error. So in both the places, common column name should be there so that we can transfer the values. So these are the examples using subqueries. Now we'll discuss about nested subqueries. Right, the next heading is nested subqueries. Listen, nested subquery means query within another subquery is called nested subquery. Nested subquery means 3 select statements will be there. Main query, subquery, nested subquery. 3 will be there. So here also execution will start from the last. Nested subquery will execute first. The value of the nested subquery is used by the subquery, and the value of the subquery is used by the main query. So here if I want to get third highest salary from EMP table, sample table, If I want to get third highest salary from EMP table, then here we'll write query like this. Select max sal from EMP where salary less than. Select max sal from EMP where salary less than. Select max sal from EMP. Like this we are giving 3 select statements. Okay. So here this is a nested subquery here. This will execute first. Select max sal from EMP means it will take 5,000. It will take 5,000. 5,000 is sent to subquery. Subquery means this one. Select max sal from EMP where salary less than 5,000. Salary less than 5,000, highest salary is 3,000. And this 3,000 is used by the main query. Select max sal from EMP where salary less than 3,000. Salary less than 3,000 is 2975 is there. 2975. That is displayed here. 2975. Okay. If you want the 10th highest salary, third highest salary, no? If you want the 10th highest salary, 10 times, 10 times, select max, select max, select max, select max, 10 times, or else, okay, if you want the 5th highest salary, 5th highest salary. So 5th highest salary means you have to write 5 select statements. 10th highest salary means 10 select statements. So that we should not do. We are having correlated subquery. Correlated subquery means only with 2 select statements you can get third highest salary or 5th highest salary or 10th highest salary you will get. So if you want to get nth salary, nth means any salary, first or third or 5th or 10th, we have to use correlated subquery we have to use. That we'll see in next example. So here, if I want to get the list of employees with the second highest salary, details of the employees with second highest salary, we have used the subquery here. So here, select asterisk from EMP where salary equal to. Select max sal from EMP where salary less than. Select max sal from EMP. Like this I'm giving. So here nested subquery will execute first this one. Select max sal from EMP means 5,000. 5,000 is sent to subquery. Select max sal from EMP where salary less than 5,000. Less than 5,000, here we can get highest salary is 3,000. Less than 5,000, highest salary is 3,000. And this 3,000 we are using here equal to. Select asterisk from EMP where salary equal to 3,000. So it is giving the details of the employee with third highest, second highest salary. Right. Nested subqueries, write the description and write the example. Students, this is a nested subquery. Please write. Give small line there and write a nested subquery. This is nested subquery. And this is subquery. This is subquery. Middle one is subquery. And here first one is main query. This is main query. So nested subquery will give 5,000. Down you can write. Nested subquery will give 5,000. Subquery will give 3,000. Subquery will give 3,000. Nested subquery will give, main query, main query will give 2,975. 2,975. So for second one, nested subquery will give 5,000 here. This will give 5,000. Subquery will give 3,000. This 3,000 is sent to main query. Then it will show the details of the employees with salary 3,000. When you subquery, it is in brackets. Nested subquery also is in brackets here. Okay, I'm stopping now. And tomorrow we'll continue with correlated subqueries. Then after that, other concepts are there like pseudo columns, then sequence, other small topics are there. After that, we'll discuss about views, indexes, synonyms, functions list is also there. So with that, SQL part will complete. Okay. So other topics are there. We'll see what all important topics are there. I'll cover. After that, the PLSQL programming will be there. So now I think all will go to lab now. You please practice all these. The joins, subqueries. Ask them like a lot of things are there for pending. You ask them like we'll do practice. Now today you ask today. Okay.